Alright? But I'm not saying it will not, I'm just giving an example. But if the hot money stop, or due to some reason, US stocks, market start to fall, as I said, the birds, then all the toads come out already. Okay? When is the first line that market will start to drop? When this neckline is broken, 67 down. When they see the market break this and start to fall, it will start to come down in a straight line. And when that happens, you better sell off your Malaysian stocks. Okay? Better sell off. This one is to be sure. Okay, that is for Brazil. Okay? Brazil, let's do some recap. It has actually gone up almost to the pre-crisis high. Am I right? Okay, now you do a comparison. Stock prices moving to the double top pre-crisis high. But do you really think that the market has got real economic growth? Just like pre-crisis in 05, 06, 07? The answer is no. Alright? Okay, now let's take a look at Russia. Pre-crisis high, it was trading at this top. It should be around 2004. Okay? The price in 2004, market came down 75% devaluation to 498 during the crisis in 08. After that, start to climb up to a recent top at 1,770. This is the support line. Can you see it or not? Okay, this is what I call a Sui line as well. Sui support line. Now, if you look at this, the pre-crisis top is here. This is the bottom. Alright? The market has still got some potential to climb a bit higher. Alright? If the market was to break this 1770 in the near future, this one, it may climb another 5%. You go and calculate 1770 times 1.05. Then you will get the answer. Alright? If I'm not wrong, it should be about close to 1,008. Not much. But if the market were to somehow break below this support line, okay now. So these are all the points that you can go internet and look for the chart and remember what I teach you today. Look for this 4 chart as a signal line for you to play your local stock index. Alright? So we have seen the Brazil, the Russia, now the India. Wow, India chala. Anybody come from India here? Hands up, have or not? Don't have, Okay. This is very scary. I look at India chart, I shiver, you know. People say, why you take too much rotation line? Really. Pre-crisis high, okay, Sensex was trading about 21,000, almost at the top, 21,000, or maybe 21,500. During the crisis, it came down, ding dong, boom, to the bottom of, what was the low? 8,000. From 21,000 down to 8,000 over a period of 1 year. Okay, it's about 15 months. See, all the way down. Okay, then from the crisis bottom, there was a double bottom and started to move up. Okay, to the current top, 21,075. It has actually gone up to the pre-crisis high as well. But my question is, are we actually having a real growth in India? I don't know. Alright? But looking at this, I think it is dangerous to buy now. Just use your common sense. Do you think the market will break this top and still go higher? Okay? You see, this is the triple top, okay, with a previous resistance line. If it drops, this becomes a support line. Support line, can you see when the market drops down here, exactly land on the line and start to bounce out again? Okay, so which means the market now is actually being trapped from this top 21,000 down to this support line. Alright? But if you ask me, just based on my visual impact, head or tail? Head means buy, tail means sell. I will always tell people I prefer to sell. Not because I either just or lose. It's not. It's because you look at the room at the top side more or the room at the downside more. I think downside is more. If any unfavorable fundamentals were to happen, it will come down faster than it go up. Market always plunge faster than it climb. Alright? So market is now consolidating, but may challenge another 5% higher if it top above 21,075. But if it breaks below support line, okay, once it breaks below this support line, we are actually looking at this 33%, which is 16,700 as our first target, which may happen this year before end of June. Alright, so let's do a recap. BRIC are all the 4 biggest major emerging markets in the world. First of all, Brazil, double top. Buy or sell. Okay, even though you say I cannot sell, okay, at least don't buy. Stay out. Okay, because it's double top already. Is it not? Double top. Okay, now you look at the second one, Russia. Okay, Russia, of course, maybe still got a bit more room, but already come up quite a lot already. Then the third market, confirm on this India Sensex, stay out. Okay, now you look at this chart again. I ask you one question. Market is now here. If I say, well, maybe market during around here, will you buy? You say, yeah, already happened now. You tell me, of course, like in market that time there, I buy and sell my wife and car and house and I just dump money into here. But my advice is, go and get a time machine. Your time machine will let you travel back. You watch the movie Back to the Future or not? Then you say, sure, I have a time machine. Yeah, I don't have that exactly. That's why I don't dream, be realistic. Okay, now, let me ask you a question. Since there's no way you can travel back here to buy the market, now I show you one market when it is here. But if you don't believe me, never mind. No. The day when you see the market become there, you say, hey, the time actually, there's this guy called DAR Wong or Wong Darling. He said, actually, I never listened to him. Okay, this is China market. Shanghai index. It is very same trend as the CSI 300. During the crisis, top was 6,600. Okay, before the crisis. After that, the market plunged one way down until 1,600 plus. After the crisis, 1.5 years, the market is still doing this. Not because China got no growth, not because China got no inflation, not because they got no investment. It's because the government is so afraid of hot money. They know once all the money come in, the whole economy will become out of control. So they close door. Cannot come in. Okay, control. Okay, don't let too much money come in. Number one, they implemented a lot of measures to stop speculation of properties. If not properties, I tell you in China, I was there last month. Let me share with you one thing. December record 2010, which was 1 month ago. Shenzhen, one of the service department in the city, got the highest record in the land authority to know department. Okay, selling transacted at 1 meter square 22,900 RMB. Which means, let's assume it's a 1,000 meter square apartment with 3 bedrooms, selling at 2.3 million RMB. Sorry, I also blur already. Yeah, 2.3 million, right? Which is very expensive, for that kind of economy. It's overpriced already. Alright? And that is why the government is trying to control. Then, of course, the next thing is the government is trying to stop the yuan from growing too fast. But there is no way they can stop the market forever. Even though it comes out slowly, one day yuan currency will overtake US. It will become one of the major reserve currency. It may not be 1 year, but it can be 5 to 10 years from now. Alright? Then because of this growth that comes in, a lot of influx of capital and because of real infrastructure growth, okay, China stocks definitely has got a lot of potential in the next 3 years. I'm not talking about 10 years now, stop 3 years because we are here. Now let me ask you one thing. Brazil has gone up to pre-crisis top. Okay, Russia is still climbing. India Sensex has gained higher than pre-crisis top. Do you believe China can go up to this crisis top? Not next month, no. 3 years from now. Who believes in this? Hands up. Wow, 孺子可教. If you believe in this, do you think this is a good time to enter now or wait until market reach 6,000? Enter now, right? Okay, now let me give another clue. Because of this inflation, now, okay, just our first chapter we talk about inflation, right? US keep creating global inflation, all right? Which China and India now is suffering. The only way for them to control inflation is they will have to raise rate. That's why China raised rate on Christmas Day. I think most of you don't know about this as well. But they will continue to raise rate for these coming few months until June.